In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Q&A not showing in TikTok bio. First, make sure your TikTok app is up to date. Once you have updated the app, if necessary, open it and go to your TikTok account page. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen to access the settings page. Now, you will go on Manage Account and you will need to switch to Pro account. Select Creator, choose a category, and now your Creator account is set up. Once you've done this, select on Creator account to be able to add a Q&A to your bio. If this doesn't appear right away, just try closing the app and open it back again. So click on Creator account, select Q&A, and select Turn on Q&A. With this, you should be able to see the Q&A in your bio. If this doesn't work for you, there's another thing you can do. Still, open up the settings page by clicking in the top right corner of your screen. And scroll down until you find Clear Cache. Select it and see if this worked. If this doesn't work either, you can report the issue to TikTok by clicking on Report a Problem. Scroll down to the last option, Privacy and Abuse Report. Select it, then click on Other and hit Still Have a Problem. Here you can explain your issue and TikTok will get back to you, although I'm not sure how long it usually takes. I hope you found this video helpful. I would appreciate it if you liked it, and I will see you next time.